Number 19, triangle XYZ is similar to triangle RST, such that X, Y, and Z correspond to R, S, and T respectively. The measure of angle Z is 20 degrees and 2 times XY equals RS. What is the measure of angle T? Okay. There's more information in here than you need. So I have triangle XYZ, and I'm not really drawing this to scale. I'm just drawing a triangle XYZ, and I have this other triangle RST, and I'm really not drawing them to scale. I'm just drawing two similar triangles. And I usually start drawing right at the beginning, before I even read the whole thing. So I may have drawn them incorrectly, but we'll see. So triangle XYZ is similar to triangle RST, and X, Y, and Z correspond to R, S, and T. Okay, so I've oriented them the same way in space, so we can see boom, 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 boom. Similar triangles have corresponding angles that are congruent. Their lengths of their sides are proportional. So unless we are given exact information, we're not going to know exactly the lengths of the sides. We'll get there in a second. I'm just, from where we are right now, stopping right here. All I know at that point is that I have these two triangles and that their corresponding angles are the same. They're congruent, and I've marked them on this picture. Okay, let's keep going. The measure of angle Z is 20 degrees. Okay, measure of angle Z is 20 degrees. And 2 times XY equals RS. Okay, so that means that XY is half of this. Because if I multiply this by 2, I get to RS. I multiply XY by 2. Okay, so I know that XY is equal to 1/2 RS. So my RST triangle is twice as big. Do I even need that information though? Spoiler alert, no I don't. Because the question is, what is the measure of angle T? Not anything about the length of the sides, just what's the measure of angle T? Angle T corresponds to angle Z. Angle Z is 20. Angle T is 20. That's it. You do not need to know the lengths of the sides. You do not need to know the ratio, which is what they were giving you here with 2 times XY equals RS. You don't need that. It doesn't affect the angles. They're hoping that you don't know that, and you'll think that you'll either need to take this 20 and either divide it by 2 or multiply it by 2, which is why you've got the 10 and 40 over here as options. And the 2 is just an outlier. The 2 degrees is just an outlier there. But that's what they're hoping, that you will think this is necessary. Like, why would they say it if I don't need it? Because they're trying to trick you. You do not need that information. It is completely unnecessary. All you need to know is that Z corresponds to T. In similar triangles, corresponding angles are the same. So Z and T are the same. They are both 20 degrees. That's all there is to it. Our answer is C. Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and if you're looking for more SAT or PSAT help, go to mathwithalyssa.com. There you can get over 25 hours of test prep. This is for both math and reading and writing, both sections. They also come with practice questions, downloadable study guides, and more. Links to everything are in the description down below. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about this video or any suggestions for future videos. I'm all ears. And if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let the algorithm know about it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye. And I think I slapped my leg because that's something you do. Why did I slap my leg? Why am I slapping my leg as I'm talking? Who knows? I don't know.